Eating something wild brings us back to a primitive time. My name is Loria Stern. I am a chef and a baker. I make and create food and nourishment that is all inspired by nature and used with all natural ingredients. I've never met anyone who doesn't like flowers. Flowers are kind of a magical thing that comes from our earth and nature. I started to get really interested in this whole process when I realized that different flowers and herbs behave in different ways after baking them. These are calendulas, one of my favorite edible flowers. They come in bright shades of yellow and orange, and they stay so bright after the bake. They really add so much to the batch of cookies. Here's pineapple sage, one of my all-time favorite aromatic herbs and flowers to bake with. The taste is very much pineapple. So this is English lavender. These are bachelor buttons. Back in the Victorian ages, bachelors would put a bachelor button in their pocket to signify that they are single and available. German chamomile. This is borage. It bakes a little bit gray, so I like that part about it. And it tastes surprisingly like cucumber. I've probably made over 100,000 flour cookies. And I still love the process of picking the flowers and decorating the cookies. I like to think the books that I use to press my flowers gives them some sort of magic. This book, Jazz People, this I received from my father, who was a jazz clarinetist. My whole family's musical, actually, but I feel like I channel my emotions into my cooking. I make focaccia breads that look like a secret garden. Now I'm gonna start to build our flower garden with different sizes of asparagus stems and scallion. I even add some flowers into the focaccia. Like, nothing's perfect, right? But I think that the flowers are kind of perfectly imperfect, and then baking them shows the ultimate end portrait. Each one is its own art piece. When I'm in a wildflower field, I just feel at peace and connected to something larger than myself.